The S&P 500 rising slightly this Wednesday, eking out another record closing high as traders take in the latest developments surrounding a new round of U.S. fiscal stimulus negotiations. On the data front, private payrolls rose by 307,000 in November, the lowest level since July, while over in the Forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That sees further advance. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair, that's under pressure and in focus this afternoon. The pivot point is at 133.80 with short positions below 133.80 favored, with targets at 132.85 and 132.45 in extension. Moving on, the dollar yen, that's under pressure, while the Bitcoin dollar sees the upside prevail as long as 18,775 is the support. That's also the pivot point. In precious metals, gold sees its key resistance at 1824.50. Gold on the downside below the horizontal resistance at 1824.50. Short positions below 1824.50 are favored, with targets at 1806.50 and 1797.50 in extension. This while silver sees its key resistance 24.04 a troy ounce.